Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I will give you a full photo shoot for a clothing brand under 15 minutes. Now you must be thinking, how can a single video give you a tutorial of a photo shoot under 15 minutes? Well, we'll be using the help of Wearview. In this video, I'll teach you if you have your products, or in this video, I'll teach you how you can select your products, choose a model, and then use those two combination and create professional models wearing your clothes, wearing your dresses, and wearing your garments. So without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So first, what I want you guys to do is visit wearview.co. Our team at Wearview, we work really hard to bring all these features to you as easy in the most easiest way as possible. So please do consider subscribing to the channel, and also please feel free to leave a comment down in the comment box down below, letting us know that you really enjoy our product. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to wearview.co and then log into or subscribe or log in or sign in to our account or to your account. And once you are logged in, just click on the Try It Now button. Now, after clicking on the Try It Now button, you will be in the home section of Wearview, where you will have all the features overview, all the features that are supported by Wearview. The first is AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Post Control, AI Consistent Models, AI Model Swap. But for this video or for our photo shoot, we'll use AI product to model feature. So I'll just click on that. Once we click on it, we have to select the products that we want. So first, we'll click on the Add Image button, and let's choose some of the images that we want our model to wear. For example, we want this beautiful shirt. It's a kid's shirt for your knowledge. Let me choose something like this one, a jacket. This looks really nice. It's a leather jacket. And then we'll also choose a trouser for it. Let's choose this pants. If you want, you can also choose hats maybe, or shades, or shoes if you want. So just click on it, choose it, and then just move ahead with it. If you want to know more, just click on See What Works. It will give you a better instruction what works, what all pictures works here, and all the common mistakes that you should avoid. And these are the product combinations that work. It works with dresses, t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, and skirt and stuff like that. These are the images that you should choose. All right, simple and easy to understand. And please ignore images like this that are cluttered. We don't like this. Nobody like complicated things. So after selecting our products, we'll click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, here you'll have to choose the model. Now, for example, if you have a model, then just click on the Choose File, choose the model, and click on Open. There's that. But if you don't have model, then you click on the My Models section, and there after that, go to Model Library, and here you can just select from all these amazing looking AI models. Here we support both, we have women as well as men, so you can go ahead and choose any of the model you want. But if you want, you can also go ahead and click on Create an AI Model to create your very own model inside Wearview. Firstly, you have to name your model, and then you can just go ahead and describe your model the way you want. For me, let me pause this video right now, and let me get back to you with a great prompt, or let me think of a prompt of a model that I can use to create live in front of you guys. So just stay tuned for it. All right, guys, so welcome. Now we have a model in my mind. His name is Arthur, T-H-U-R, Arthur, and I have this prompt here: a 35-year-old man with shorts, sweep, backlash, blonde hair, and a light stubbled beard and stuff like that. If you want, you can also use the Enhance feature. It will use the power of AI to make your prompts better. Or if you want, you can also describe it in your own language. We have multilingual support. So once you're happy with your prompt, just go ahead and click on Next. select the quality of the image that you want. For optimal results, I would prefer 4K, which is the best quality. But if you ask me, even 2K works great. So for this video, I'll choose 2K. You can choose the number of images that you want. You can choose up to 4 unique variations per generation, so it depends on you. I'll choose 4. And then for aspect ratio, you can choose from square to 4:3, or even 16:9, which is horizontal, or vertical if you want, which is 9:16. But for this video, I'll choose default and then click on the generate button. Now this says it will take around 2.5 minutes, but no, it takes hardly around 30 to 40 seconds. So I won't keep you guys waiting for this 30 to 40 seconds. I'll just resume the video once our model is generated. All right, guys, so it's not even 30 seconds. It was around like maybe 15 seconds or 20 seconds, and we have our model Arthur, and Arthur looks really great. I think I'll choose with the first and the last image. This looks good, but for this video, let me choose the first one. Now we have our model. I have downloaded the image. Now let's go to again, let's go to home, and then let's choose product to model feature of Wearview. So we'll click on it, and we'll choose our images, or choose our dress that we want our AI model to wear. I'll choose the jacket as well as the pants, and I'll click on the next button. Now you can, if you want, you can just click on the choose file button. Go ahead to the place where you've downloaded your model, or you can do one thing and just click on the My Models section, and you are inside My Models, of course, and then here you can choose Arthur. You can just click on it, and you're gonna browse from here with the collection of images that you have. Now we are happy with Arthur here, so what we'll do here, we'll just click on select this model button, and then finally click on the next button. Now if you want, you can also describe your model and setting. This is an optional feature, but if you want some delicate control over your poses or of your model, you can just go ahead, use your creativity, because here the creativity is your limit. You can also enhance it, but if you want, you can also click on the prompt tips button and then choose from we have some pre-made prompts that you can just copy, paste it over here. And like I said, if you want, you can also enhance with the power of AI. And also it supports multilingual, so you can explain the prompt in your own language. But for this video, I'll just skip it. I'll choose 2K as the quality. For best quality, like I said, use 5K, but 2K works great. Number of images, let's choose 4. And for aspect ratio, let's choose 3:4, which is the default one. And let's finally click on the generate button. Now this will take generally around 30 seconds, like I said, but it says around 3 minutes. So let's take a look at what the model would look like after the generation is done. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll just resume the video once it is done. Again, guys, after around 15 to 20 seconds, we have our results, and Arthur looks really good in this jacket. Like I said, we have 4 images that we have generated. Now if you want, you can also flip the image horizontally. Let's choose this image, and let's flip the image horizontally if you want. You can also click on the refine button. You can go ahead and change things from the image, like sharpen fabric texture, enhance the color, clean white background if you want, or remove the background distraction. Your creativity is the limit, like I said. So if you want, you can do that, but I am personally really happy with the result. So let me just download all these results. This is really nice. Now if you want, you can also go ahead and if you're not happy with the results by some reason, you can go ahead and click on the try again button, and it will just regenerate your images for you. But if you want to start something fresh, then click on the start fresh button. Now if you want to use these images to create into fashion video, you can just do that towards the left side, or if even you can just go ahead and create AI ghost mannequin as well, like I mentioned in my previous, or explained in my previous videos. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. In this way, this is how you can go ahead and do a photo shoot of your products within less than 15 minutes, for your clothing brand. Now I know it is really time consuming and also really expensive to hire a photographer, a professional photographer, or a videographer for work like this one, but just take a look at it. Our team at Wearview, we bought this for you. You can just use it within less than 5 to 10 minutes. You can create models like this for your store and let the ball rolling. Your customers are going to love your product when it is worn by such great looking, models. It is that good. So make sure to visit wearview.co and start creating your models. This is your Victor from Wearview. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Until that day, please consider subscribing as well as like the video and comment down below what are your thoughts about our about our service, about our website. Well, that's pretty much it. This is Victor signing out. Have a great day, or take care.